Most people budget to survive. But if you're serious about financial independence, you need a budget to escape. Hey everyone, and welcome back to House of Resilient, the best financial education channel. In this video, we'll break down how to budget not just for bills, but for freedom. Let's talk about budgeting for independence. Financial independence doesn't happen by accident. It's the result of hundreds of intentional choices, and your budget is where those choices begin. Budgeting isn't about restriction, it's about reclaiming power over your money, so you can stop trading time for dollars. Here's the core formula of budgeting for financial independence. Income minus essential expenses plus value savings. Spending equals FI savings. Traditional budgeting focuses on what do I need to cut? FI budgeting asks, how can I design my spending around freedom? Here's what you prioritize. A high savings rate, ideally 30% to 70%. Aggressive investing in 401s, IRAs, index funds, and real estate. And values-based spending. Cut what doesn't matter and double down on what does. To budget for independence, you need to see the truth about your spending. Step 1. Track every dollar for the next 30 days. Step 2. Categorize each item. This exercise isn't forever. It's just to get clarity. Awareness is the first step to control. Now let's talk structure. A financial independence budget includes these 5 key categories. First, essentials, which are your needs like rent, groceries, and insurance. Second, your freedom fund for savings and investing, including index funds, IRAs, and REITs. Third, a growth fund for skills, courses, and career development. Fourth, value-aligned spending for travel, hobbies, and giving. And fifth, eliminated expenses, stuff you cut to accelerate your financial independence. Unlike a normal budget, your FI budget builds in intentional trade-offs. You might spend less on cars, but more on courses or real estate. Here's the secret. The higher your savings rate, the faster you reach financial independence. Saving 10%, you might retire in 40 years. Saving 50%, you could hit FI in under 17. Saving 70%, maybe under 10. To increase your savings rate, you can increase income through skills or side hustles. Cut housing costs by house hacking or relocating. Drive an older car and avoid lifestyle inflation. Be ruthless with subscriptions and impulse buys. And prioritize automated investing before spending. Numbers don't drive change. Goals do. Imagine a journal entry that reads, I want FI to spend more time with my kids and travel the world. When you budget with a clear vision of what FI means to you, freedom, flexibility, purpose, every dollar becomes a tool. Your budget is the engine. The vision is the fuel. Families travel? The world? Budgeting for independence is about more than paying bills. It's about funding your future. Align your dollars with your dreams. If you're serious about financial freedom, start today. Like this video if it helped, share it with a friend who needs it. Subscribe for weekly content on mastering your money, and comment below. What's one budgeting tip that changed your life?